Welcome back. Even though the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has leaked prolifically at this point, we're still hearing more and more information about it. So, we've collected all the leaks and rumors we've heard so far. Want to know about it? Then stick till the end, and those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more updates. Let's begin. The biggest Galaxy Z Fold 4 has revealed just about every spec we might see on the phone. This includes a foldable 7.6-inch plus AMOLED screen, with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 6.2-inch secondary AMOLED screen, with an HD Plus resolution, and a 120Hz refresh rate. One immediately obvious thing here is, the rear cameras follow the design style established on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, rather than looking like they did on the Z Fold 3. Another thing that's worth pointing out is that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to have slightly tweaked aspect ratios for both the external and the internal displays. It's still going to remain largely tall, but it might make a difference while using it, hopefully, in a positive way. One recent rumor has dismissed the idea of a new rear camera design for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, but it has thrown more weight behind the tip that the foldable phone will get a 50MP main camera. Still, on the camera theme, another rumor in this area points to a 50MP plus 212MP rear camera, with 3x optical zoom. It would be ideal if Samsung uses the same camera setup as the Galaxy S22 series for this one. The only rumor we have about the Z Fold 4's power source is an unfortunate one. It says that Samsung will be keeping the battery roughly the same size as it currently is on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. One of the worst things about foldable phones is that they have a lot more screen to power, despite having a battery the same size, or sometimes smaller, than equivalent phones. The Z Fold 3's battery life isn't that good, but if Samsung isn't changing the battery capacity, then it will have to make the phone more efficient elsewhere to try and make the phone last a full day away from the wall socket. If those rumors didn't satisfy your appetite for Z Fold 4 material, we also have a modest wish list for the new foldable. Here's what we'd like to see on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We say this all time, but the Galaxy Z Fold range is just too expensive for most people. It's understandable that the price is high given the tech involved, but we'd like to see Samsung try and push it down. The good news is that the company seems to be doing that, as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 was a little cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, so hopefully, Samsung will repeat the trick with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a top-class phone in so many ways, but its cameras don't come close to those on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and some other Samsung handsets. Given how much we're paying for these phones, we'd like to see that change on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Rather than the 2x optical zoom on the current model, we want 10x like the S21 Ultra offers, along ideally with an extra lens for 3x zoom. One thing all foldable phones seem to struggle with is battery capacity, as they tend to have batteries that match standard smartphones, despite typically having much bigger screens. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, for example, has a 4400 mAh battery, which would be an average size at best for a non-foldable phone, but with two displays, one of which is 7.6 inches, it doesn't go super far here. Therefore, we would like to see a bigger battery and longer life with the upcoming model. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the first Samsung foldable with support for the S Pen stylus, and this is a big addition, as it helps you get the most out of its massive screen. But the S Pen is only compatible with the large main display, not the smaller secondary screen. This isn't a huge problem, but once people have a stylus, there will surely be times when they'll want to use it on the other screen too, and at 6.2 inches, this display isn't that tiny. So for Galaxy Z Fold 4, we would like to see stylus support included for both screens, so that users don't have to switch between the stylus and their digits so often. That's the video, guys. Hope it is useful. And if you have any suggestions, do comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Until then, Goodbye.